Today in our menu we have a very delicious kebab recipe. It is the chicken Tangdi Kebab. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel. So let's start. In a mixing bowl, take 6 to 7 leg pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, salt to taste, juice of half a lemon. Mix everything nicely and coat the chicken pieces with the ginger and garlic paste. This is our first marination and we are going to keep it for half an hour, and then we are going to prepare a second marination. For that, in a mixing bowl, take half cup of hung curd, half cup of fresh cream, half cup of grated cheese, half cup of freshly chopped green coriander leaves, finely chopped 2 to 3 green chillies, quarter teaspoon white pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of cornflour. Mix everything nicely. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, mix everything very nicely. Now we are going to add our second marination and coat our chicken pieces well. We are going to cover a chicken and set aside for 5 to 6 hours. It has been 6 hours. Our chicken is marinated nicely. Now we are going to cook our chicken pieces on a pan. For that, heat oil, place the chicken piece and let it cook till it is nice golden in color. Now we are going to flip our chicken piece and cook it from the other side. If the drippings are too much, then you can scrape them off so that our chicken is cooked evenly. Ensure that we have to keep turning our chicken piece so that it gets those nice burnt marks and it is evenly cooked from all the sides. Our chicken piece is done. Likewise, prepare the rest of the chicken pieces and transfer it to a serving dish. Chicken Tangdi Kebab are ready. If you find the recipe easy, then please like, share and subscribe the channel.